Welcome back, EcoSmart fam. Did you know the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world? But don't worry, you don't have to sacrifice style to be sustainable. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an eco-friendly wardrobe on a budget. Let's dive into 3 simple ways to build a sustainable wardrobe. 1. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are great for finding stylish, affordable pieces without contributing to fast fashion. Host shopping at a thrift store. 2. Support ethical brands. Choose brands that prioritize sustainability and ethical production. 3. Upcycle old clothes. Don't throw away old clothes. Get creative and give them new life. Host turning an old t-shirt into a new tote bag. What's your favorite way to shop sustainably? Share your tips in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to EcoSmart Living for more tips on how to live sustainably without breaking the bank.